I'm going to review the best backpack vacuum in the market for this year. And number 1, Vacmaster. This vac weighs just 24.4 pounds. This makes it suitable for backpacking. It requires about 120 volts of electricity to work. It measures 18.4 by 20.5 by 24.5 in dimensions. It's powered by the AC circuit. It can clean tough substances on various types of surface. It works best on wooden floors. This vacuum cleaner is to be used in the garage, not recommended for indoor usage. It comes in vibrant colors that attract the eye. You can use it as a blower as it features a blowing machine. It has a 24-month warranty. At number 2, Shop-Vac. This is a rechargeable vacuum cleaner for wet and dry surface cleaning. It doesn't require cord or wire to work, so you can move it to any corner of the house without worrying about an extension. It features a water tank made of plastic. This makes the vacuum lighter in weight. It is convenient to use and carry. It acts as a blower. There are handles at the top of the vacuum and the sides. You can opt to carry it horizontally or vertically. It can be used in the home, office, or garage. The package includes filters and attachments. At number 3, Atrix Vac BP1 HEPA Backpack Vacuum. Despite its dimensions, this vacuum weighs only 10.3 pounds. It does not require extension cords to work. You just have to move it around on the floor and it'll handle all the rest. There's a loop attached for storing needed materials for the cleaning. It features a HEPA filtration system of 8 quarts, which enables it to trap tiny pathogens inside the vacuum. It can be powered with 120 volts of electricity. It's great for household use and can also be used in a commercial setting. It comes with lots of accessories ranging from nozzles to brushes.